Why does your scanner show the P0222 engine code? And what does it mean? The P0222 engine code stands for the throttle or pedal position. Sensor or switch B circuit low. The P0222 engine error code indicates that the voltage output from the throttle or pedal position sensor is too low. It means that the ECM has detected the TPS sensor is reporting too low of a voltage. In this situation, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty sensor. Wiring issues. Clogged throttle body. Grounding issues. Faulty engine control unit. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This generic powertrain engine diagnostic trouble code typically applies to all 1996 newer vehicles, including, but not limited to, Hyundai, Toyota, Chevrolet, Kia, Honda, Dodge, Ford, and Nissan vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.